Hello guys, welcome back. Have you ever taken a screenshot and then struggled to retype all the text in it? Well, Windows 11 just solved that problem with one hidden feature. Microsoft just updated Windows Photo app with OCR, optical character recognition. That means you can open any image, click one button and extract all the text instantly. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. First of all, I opened an image on this browser. Let's say I click on an image that has a text. Let's go image. I go to image with text. Let's see if I can see any image with text over here. Okay, let's look at this. So over here I have this image. Let me get a better text. I have an image like this and I need to extract this text without typing it. What I just need to do is right click on the image, save it as on my computer. After saving it, open the image with my Photos app, and with this button over here I can click on it and it highlights the image. I'll select all the text on the image, right click on it, copy text or select all text or search in Bing. So I'll click on copy text, and if I open my notepad I can paste the text here. So that's actually how it's done. You can actually copy and from an image I have. Let's say we have a research image. Let's use 1000 words and see something, an image like this. So this is an image, and if we save this image, if we open it, the text are merged, but we can still extract it. So we just click on our scan text and it scans through it and it selects all the text. Right click on it, select all text, right click, copy text. We go to our notepad, we can actually paste our text. So this actually is a good improvement. Not only does it help students to copy notes from PDF or scanned images, it also helps workers to extract text from documents or screenshots. It also helps tech enthusiasts, saving them time with automation. If you find this video helpful, hit like so more people can discover it, and subscribe to KinspireTech for more hidden Windows tips and IT support tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.